Okay, this is our very first American Girl doll.
Yay!
She's come to join our family of dolls, which we have only maybe today was the big day, and we made the trip to Seattle and brought her over and back, and we haven't even got her out of the case yet, and we're so excited. So Julie, the reason why we got Julie is because
You got Julie.
Oh yes, Julie is my doll because that's when I was a little girl. She's right from the time when I was 12 years old. So I'm very excited about Julie. When I was young, I had a lot of the things that she has, so it's so exciting.
And I never really realized they were kind of old-fashioned or out of until we were in California at the store in California and we realized all the stuff. You didn't think that was old-fashioned? Well, it just, all the stuff was what we used to have in our house when I was growing up.
Now take a look at her shoes. I had shoes like this, and I was chopping wood at a campfire, and I had the axe and chopped right in between my big toe. They were wood on the bottom. To this day, I think I'm so lucky that I have my toes. Now my mom says that when I was little, or this age, the Caroline doll reminds her more of me than Julie does. But it's Julie's clothes and her story and her era that's very cool. And here's Julie's accessories. So it's exciting to see. It's nice to get them all together. Oh, she's got money. And she's got a little purse. And she has her little crocheted hat. Cool. Fun. And look at this. She has a little necklace. That says her name. And money for her purse. You always should have money in your purse. All right. This big box is Julie's bike. Her banana bike. I had one. It was gold. All right, my banana bike like this was gold, and it had those handlebars, and it had streamers, and it had a basket just like this, and I could get clickers from a pudding mix, and we put them on the wheels, and we could click. They would click as you went all around. They were very cool. I didn't have these kind of things. And there's Julie. Welcome to our house, our first American girl.